This video is developed by TRANSLANG Journal. Using the journal's template can be confusing at times. Follow this video guide on how to use TRANSLANG Journal template for your article. First, download the template from TRANSLANG website by clicking on the link in the description box. Then click on Guide for Authors, then TRANSLANG Template. Choose your preferred language. The templates will be downloaded in a form of Word docs. Open both the template and your article side by side. The title of the article needs to be single space Time New Romans, size 18, bold, in italic. Make sure that only the initials are capitalized. When copying the title, it would be better that you paste it by keeping the text only. To do that, you should copy your original text and select the text to be replaced from the template, and then click on your right side of the mouse and select Keep Text Only, which is the little icon that has an A on it. Moving on to the author's name. The author's name, affiliation and country, email, laboratory, and ORCID should be in Times New Roman, size 11 in bold, each in a dedicated line and aligned on the right. The same needs to be done if a second author is present. Next is to cite this paper section. You will have to write the author's last name and initials, then second author if present, then the title of the paper with only the first letter capitalized. Do not forget to add the corresponding author's name and first name in the footer of the page. After that, we have the abstract section. The abstract should be consistent of a single paragraph of 300 words, giving a brief account of the most relevant aspects of the paper. Because the abstract may be used in abstracting and indexing databases, it should be self-contained and substantive in nature, presenting concisely the objectives, methodologies used, results obtained, and their significance. Please bear in mind that 2 abstracts are needed. A 300-word abstract in English is obligatory. A second abstract with 200 words in French or Arabic is also needed. You should insert the abstract in Times New Roman, size 10, in italics. Moving on to the keywords. Provide 5 to 7 keywords which can be used for indexing purposes. For French or Arabic keywords, only 5 are needed. Keywords should not repeat the words of the manuscript title or contain abbreviations and shall be written in alphabetical order as separated by comma and started in capital letter. The keywords should also be in New Times Roman, size 10 and in italics. As far as the headings are concerned, they should be in Times New Roman, size 12 in bold with a numbering, just like here. To copy the text while keeping the template as it is, you should copy your original text and select the text to be replaced from the template, and then click on your right side of the mouse and select Keep Text Only. The subheading, however, should be in New Time Romans, size 12 in italics. Tables and figures should be displayed through images and be given numbers and titles under the body of the tables and figures. Use Time New Roman's font throughout the manuscript in the sizes and styles shown in Table 1 and Figure 1. All tables and figures should be numbered consecutively in the order as they appear and referred to in your paper. Place figures and tables at the top and bottom of columns. Figure captions should be below the figures. Table captions should be above. Insert figures and tables after they're cited in the text. Use the abbreviation Fig.1 in the text and Figure 1 at the beginning of a sentence. Tables should be submitted as editable text and not as images. Tables can be placed either next to the relevant text in the article or on a separate page at the end. Place any table notes below the table body. Be sparing in the use of tables and ensure that the data presented in them do not duplicate results described elsewhere in the article. Please avoid using vertical rules and shading in table cells. See the sample table here. When you insert a figure title, you should type the figure, number, the title, and then the reference, year, and page between brackets, just like here. Please ensure that the reference entry of each in-text citation is included in the reference list and vice versa. Any reference cited in the abstract must be given in full. Citations in the text, whether when using direct quotes or paraphrasing, the author should follow the referencing style used by the American Psychological Association, 7th edition. The link in the templates can be used here to revise the in-text referencing and the referencing entries. Further details will be found in the template. Please read carefully. In the direct quotations, where word-by-word text is taken from external sources, the citation must include the author's last name, the publication date, and the specific page number. If the document does not have the pages numbered, it is necessary to indicate the paragraph number. In this case, you can use the abbreviation para. Further details will be found in the template. Please read carefully. To know more about paraphrased citations, citations of works by 2 or more authors, citations of several works in the same parenthesis, footnotes, web references, data references, references citations, and more, please read the templates on page 17 and 18. To paste your references in the template while keeping the format, you should copy your references and select the reference to be replaced from the template, and click on your right side of your mouse and select Keep Text Only. Collate acknowledgements in separate section at the end of the article before the references and do not, therefore, include them on the title page as a footnote to the title or otherwise. An author biodata is essential at the end of the article. It contains the general information about the author. For more details, please read the instructions provided in the template. That is it for this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for any future updates from TRANSLANG Journal. Thank you for watching.